Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another quick market update on Bitcoin. So, recently we discussed about Bitcoin that structure was bullish. It is not the time to short the market, and perfectly the price just mitigated my entry. And after triggering my entry, price just smashed my TP number one, and after that, TP number two, and we secured around about 2 to 3 are on this shit. That's perfectly fine. Apart from this, we already discussed about wet that the structure was bullish, so we have to go for longs, but it sadly does not mitigated my entry. That's perfectly fine because all the time market is not presenting itself for you only. Okay, so that's perfectly fine. So what's going on Bitcoin and the current market's price, will all the things which is happening now right now we'll discuss in this video, right? So Bitcoin recently the structure is still bullish. So what we have to go for longs rather than following the shorts. So first of all, let's see what's going on over here, because this recent night wick was kind of weird. And according to the 1 day time frame, still the structure is bullish. So what we have to go for, we have to go for longs rather than following the shorts like this. Okay, so still the structure is kind of same according to the 1 day time frame. According to 12 hour time frame, we can argue with this one, right? So according to 4 hour time frame, still same bias. Now this is the, now you can clearly see over here, this all things are wikis, and still these are nothing more except the liquidation of some retail shits. Still the structure is bullish, so we have to go for longs. Okay, it does not matters to us. Now according to 4 hour time frame, the structure is bullish, like over here, first, second, third, four. We already discussed that piece of shit. Now according to 4 hour time frame, still we have a quite good demand, and price is mitigating my demand, failed to move upside. This is kind of weird, but that's fine. Still the structure is bullish, so we can argue for longs. Let me get rid of this one. So according to 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see over here that we just triggered and price just mitigated my first entry over here. Demand was over here, and we discussed again and again that structure was bullish from here or here or here, and price just mitigated my entry and triggered and smashed toward my TPs. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Now for currently, price is just giving me first boss over here, second boss over here. Still the structure is bullish, and the last one was a cluster. We need some sorts of explosion still. Same thing. Now this is a quite good demand. We can clearly see over here, good piece of demand is lying over here, and giving us some sorts of rejection over here. That's fine. Yeah, we can go for longs still because of the structure, because of the context of market. You can go for longs, but your stop loss will be below this one. Makes sense. Okay, so this time this guy this piece of shit again makes us make some sense for longs. Like over here, you can take your TP number one as 1 or 1.5, both are fine, to liquidate this high like this and this one. Now this time it may ruin us. That will be not a big deal, because we already made a lot of money on recent Bitcoin updates, that now this one will not affect our bottom line. Okay, so entries on make sense level of current market price, it is 45,920, TP number one 47,800, and final TP 49,000, and all the way down. Okay, so stop loss makes sense level of 44,570. So that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big like. Take care. Peace.